where I find that a lot of women fall short is that they're, and you might be able to relate to this, not organised and not prepared. And prioritise other people in the family, but then when it gets to you, you're like, oh, I'll just grab something to eat, or I'll just grab a chocolate bar, or just grab a packet of chips. But what it takes, if you are really, really interested and you are determined to get some healthier eating habits into your lifestyle, then what it takes is just to be a little bit organised. Okay, so today I am making this absolute divine almond maple slice, and it's just beautiful. It's raw, it's full of, you know, all these nuts and seeds, goodness. It's a great form of protein. It's, you know, it's only got refined sugar in it, and it ticks all the boxes. So you don't have to miss out, but also you don't need to be eating the packaged, you know, really processed stuff. This is really good stuff. So my name is Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy and empowering women to live a healthier lifestyle. That is my passion. I was talking to someone this morning, and I said to them, I think that women don't realize that you can be feeling different. You don't need to be tired. You don't need to be, you know, heavy and sluggish. It can come down to the food that you're eating. And if you just make some really simple changes, that can all change. And it's just experiencing how that good feels. And then you know that you want to keep it going. So, as I say, this is just all completely raw. I have got some peanut butter here. Now, my peanut butter is quite runny. You know how sometimes you get peanut butter which is quite firm? So this is quite runny, which makes it easy for this recipe. So I've got some melted coconut oil. And in it, I'm going to add some maple syrup. Now, this recipe is just one of the 500 recipes that you get by joining me in the Wicked Healthy Tribe. My mission is to make things easy for you. I know that there's so much conflicting information out there. I know that there's a lot of overwhelm. I know that you are time poor. I know that you want to do better and eat healthier, but it's like you just often don't know where to start or haven't got the tools and resources to do it. That's exactly why I set up my online membership, the Wicked Healthy Tribe. And the doors are open at the moment. They close tomorrow night. This is a recipe out of the Wicked Healthy Tribe. This is exactly what I'm empowering you to do and give you the resources to do it. Okay, so adding to my peanut butter, my maple syrup, and my coconut oil, I'm adding some pumpkin seeds and some sunflower seeds. I'm adding some, this is ground LSA, so you've got your mixture. I've got some sliced almonds. I've got some chia seeds. So it is full of really, really good ingredients. I've also got some desiccated coconut. So you've got some your healthy fats and some protein from your nuts and your seeds. I'm actually adding in extra protein powder. So that's some vanilla protein powder, because I'm always at my age and stage, I know how important it is to be adding more protein into our diet. And so that's the way that I am doing it, trying to get more natural forms of protein, but protein powder is a great way to do it. And then I've got some, what have I got in here? Vanilla powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, and a little pinch of salt. So you can see how easy this is to make. If you've got the resources, what I teach the women in my membership is to multitask. You need to be using your time wisely. If you're time poor, I'm now going to tip it into my container, my prepared tin. If you're time poor, when you're cooking dinner, you are making something like this at the same time. So you're totally multitasking and just setting yourself up for success. when you are cooking dinner, you might be making a coleslaw or a big batch of extra roasted vegetables for your lunches the next day. So this is, I haven't actually made this for a while. It's so delicious. And all I'm going to do is press it into there. I'm going to top it with some thread coconut and put that in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and then I'll put it in the fridge, and it keeps in the fridge just like that. So you can see that. It's actually beautiful raw as well. And I'll just cut it up into squares. So if you're interested to find out more about the Wicked Healthy Tribe and how I can support you with your health and well-being goals, where it's all in one place, a one-stop shop, head to wickedwellbeing.com/WHT. I'll put the link in the comments box below. It's all in there. It's all you need. You just need to make the decision that you want to make a change and that you want to eat healthier for yourself and your family. That everything else is in there. Everything, the accountability to keep you on track, the inspiration, the motivation, the camaraderie of other women being on the same journey as you, all supporting each other. It's that group medicine thing. It's so valuable and it's so important to be able to do it all together, where we're all striving for a similar goal, but helping each other along the way. So as I say, wickedwellbeing.com/WHT. That's how you can get this recipe, along with 500 plus other recipes in all different areas of, of food, nutrition, exercise. There's exercise vaults. Anyway, just go and have a look, and the doors close tomorrow night at midnight. Thanks so much for joining me, and let me know, what's your favorite healthy snack at the moment? What are you enjoying? What are you making, or are you finding that you're buying it? Okay, see you later. Bye.